Subhash Chandra Bose Pilli.
I am from Lok Sabha Gallery, sir.
Yes, Honourable Member.
Sir, thank you very much for giving the opportunity to participate in the discussions. The Epidemic Disease Amendment Act, Ordinance 2020, sir. Sir, just I am giving only 2 or 3 important bullet points and suggestions only, sir. Please allow me, sir. Sir, I deeply regret to bring to your kind notice, sir, that there has been a systematic increase in incidents of attacks and harassments of its nurses, doctors and other medical personnel. We need to have a zero tolerance policy towards the attacks on our COVID warriors. They are the ones who are putting their lives on the line of the country. Line for the country, sir. Sir, doctors need a moral boost. Agree to the press briefing of the Ministry of Health, which says that there have been attacks on unwarranted violence and harassment against the medical professionals. Such a situation trends to hamper the medical community from the performing their duties to their optimum, best on maintaining their morale, which is a critical need in this hour of national health crisis. I am witness to the very good work done by Visakhapatnam Institute of Medical Sciences, which is in Andhra Pradesh. The city name is Visakhapatnam. They put their heart and soul into their job and take care of their patients selflessly, sir. Sir, the epidemic disease bill was tabled on January 28, 1897 during an outbreak of bubonic plague in Mumbai. It has been over 120 years and therefore these changes are needed in this act.
Honourable Member, we'll need to conclude.
Sir, one or 2 points, sir.
No, we don't have that time.
The Epidemic Act should be extended beyond the doctors to include sanitation and other cleanliness workers to spare them from any further bureaucratic assaults. These situation workers are also facing a similar type of stigmatization, unwarranted violence and harassment, sir. We should have further amendment to the Epidemic Act to define the term epidemic or disease.
Honourable Member,
you're
out of your time, Honourable Member. Please conclude.
To the government to follow at the time of epidemic, sir. Only 1 point, sir. The Epidemic Act should create an official body consisting
I'll have to move on, Honourable Member.
Epidemiologists,
Honourable Member, I'll have to move on.
And immunologists and government officials.
Please conclude.
Who shall decide
Please
the
conclude.
course of action for the government wherever epidemic
I'll have to move on.
declared, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Honourable Member.
Thank you very much, sir.